Hello students, today we are going to learn about the formulas and functions in spreadsheet. Let us now find out how to use the cell reference of another worksheet. You can use the cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet. This can be done in two ways. The first is by using copy-paste option. Click on the Sheet 2 tab and enter the data as shown in the figure. Click on the Sheet 1 tab. Now click on cell B8 where the sum function is used. Copy the formula using Ctrl+C. Click on the Sheet 2 tab and click on cell B8. Paste the formula using Ctrl+V. Let us know more. To copy the formula to all cells in the selected range, press F2 and then press Ctrl plus Enter key. The second way is by using sheet reference. It uses sheet number, exclamation mark and cell address. For example, sheet 1, exclamatory mark D2. Let us try to use the sheet reference. Click on the cell C2 of sheet 2. Type equal to B2 plus sheet 1, exclamatory mark D2. To add the incentive amount from the cell D2 of sheet 1 to the salary in the cell B2 of sheet 2, press the Enter key. You can calculate the total salary for other cells by dragging the mouse pointer to rest of the cells when pointer changes to a copy pointer symbol. Now let me explain you about the formula errors. In Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel displays an error message instead of the value and assists you in identifying and fixing the problem. Some of the common errors along with their possible reasons are listed below. This error occurs if the column is not having enough space to accommodate the value. It occurs if the formula is used incorrectly. It occurs if the formula contains invalid data. This occurs if the number is divided by 0. This error occurs when the formula refers to a cell that does not exist. This usually happens when the referred cell has been deleted from the worksheet. Students, let's know more. Microsoft Excel follows the BEDMAS rule to evaluate the mathematical expression. Excel uses this method automatically when a formula contains more than one operator. Let's now talk about the functions. Functions are the pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculation. Functions save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. They accept arguments and return values. Arguments are the input values to function upon which calculations are performed to find out the final result. These values can be numbers, text, etc. and are enclosed within parentheses. Functions begin with the equal to sign followed by the function name and the list of arguments separated by comma within the parentheses. For example, equal to function name, argument 1, comma, argument 2. Rules to enter a function. All Excel functions must begin with equal to sign. Function name must be valid Excel name. For example, sum, average. Function name must be followed by an operating and closing parenthesis. Arguments are enclosed in the parenthesis. For example, equal to sum, bracket in A1 is to A5, bracket close. Now let us talk about the common functions. Auto sum. The auto sum option, besides being the common and the fastest way to find out the total of the given numbers in a range, also provides options to find average, count, maximum, minimum, etc. You can find this option at two places. In the editing group on the Home tab, in the function library group on the Formulas tab. The sum function returns the total of the range values. Sum parenthesis. Let us use this feature to calculate the total of marks obtained by Anuj. Enter the data as given in the figure. Click on the cell E6 where you want to place the total of the marks. Click on the Auto Sum option present in the Editing group on the Home tab. A dashboard appears around C6 through D6, and Excel automatically enters the formula that uses the sum function in the cell E6. Now press the Enter key. The cell E6 will display the result. Average. The average function returns the average of the range values. The arguments can be a range of cells, simply numbers, or numbers along with cell references. Using the worksheet shown in the figure, let us calculate the average of marks obtained by Anuj. Click on the cell where you want to place the average of values. Let us say F6. Type equal to sign followed by the name of the function, that is average. Put the opening parenthesis symbol. Select the cell C6 through D6 to define the range of the cells. Put the closing parenthesis symbol and press the Enter key. The cell F6 will display the average of marks obtained by Anuj. Max. It is used to find the largest value in the given range. Click on the cell F4 and type equal to max, bracketed, B4 is to E4, bracket close, and press the Enter key. The maximum value in the range B4 is to E4 will be displayed in the cell F4. Let me give you a tip. Similarly, minimum parenthesis finds the lowest value in the range, and count parenthesis will count the number of elements like words, numbers, etc. in a given range. Today parenthesis. It is used to display the current date. Type equal to today parenthesis in the cell and press the Enter key. The today parenthesis function will display the current date in the selected cell. Let me share with you some tips. Similarly, you can insert the current day, month and year in a cell. To display the values in number form, for month equal to month, today parenthesis, for year equal to year, today parenthesis, for day equal to day, today parenthesis. To display the values in text form, for month equal to text, today parenthesis, comma, double quote in, double quote close. For day equal to text, today parenthesis, comma, double quote in, DDDD, double quote close. Functions and purpose. Functions, sum, range. Purpose, give the sum of a range. Number 2, average, range. Purpose, finds the average of a range. Number 3, odd number. Purpose, returns the number rounded up to the nearest odd integer. Number 4, int number. Purpose, rounds a number to the nearest integer. Number 5, product, range. Purpose, multiplies the values in a range of cells. Number 6, round, number or number digit. Purpose, rounds a number to the specified digits. Exponential number. Purpose, returns natural logarithm raised to the power of a number. Number 8, SQRT number. Purpose, returns a square root. Number 9, power, number, power. Purpose, returns the result of a number raised to some power. Number 10, mod, number, divisor. Purpose, returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. Students, the above mentioned functions are available in Excel 2007 also.